Welcome back to our channel today. We have something really cool to share with you. We'll be taking a closer look at our innovative Biolab Cube Ice Maker machine. If you've ever wanted to have a reliable and efficient ice maker right in your own home or laboratory, this is the product for you. So let's dive Here it is, the Biolab Cube Ice Maker machine. This sleek and compact device is designed to produce high-quality ice cubes quickly and effortlessly. Whether you need ice for your drinks, experiments, or any other purposes, this machine has got you covered. The control panel is conveniently located at the top of the machine, making it easy to access and operate. It features a user-friendly interface with clear buttons and an LCD display for easy navigation. Now let's talk about the key features that make the Biolab Cube Ice Maker machine stand out from the rest. One of the standout features of this machine is its self-cleaning function. Maintaining cleanliness and hygiene is crucial, especially in a laboratory setting. With just a press of a button, the Biolab Cube Ice Maker machine goes through a thorough cleaning cycle, ensuring that your ice cubes are free from any contaminants. Time is precious, and we understand that. That's why the Biolab Cube Ice Maker machine is designed to produce ice cubes in record time. In just insert time, you can have a full tray of perfectly shaped ice cubes ready to use. We believe in sustainability, and that's why the Biolab Cube Ice Maker machine is designed to be energy efficient. It utilizes advanced cooling technology that minimizes power consumption, saving you both energy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting updates and product reviews. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more fascinating discoveries from the world of biology, right here